All right, class, so we're gonna be solving for X. I'm sorry. You're totally good, All-Star. Great game on Friday. We're gonna be solving for X. Speaking of, I missed mine. Restraining order. So the 4 goes into the 20, thus making the global holiday 420.
Achoo!
What did I just hear?
Sneeze, I'm sorry.
Well, maybe you should choose a new lifestyle, because you ain't shit. Your mom ain't shit, your dad ain't shit, not even your cat is shit, and you ain't shit because you'll never be the shit.
Dude, I'm like 13.
You should really start rapping.